Good morning, students. I'm Gurmail Singh, going to present daily morning assembly slide. Dear students, today day is Thursday and date is 23rd July 2020. Let's start the slide with thought of the day. It is: a book is such a gift that you can open again and again. My dear students, we receive many gifts in our life on many occasions, but these gifts can be opened only once a time, whereas a book is a precious gift that you can open again and again. It will give you knowledge and pleasure in every time whenever you read it. Its value never goes down. It guides you as your teacher and your parents. So, always keep a book as a gift and learn a lot from it. Boys and girls, it was thought of the day. Let's go to the next part of slide. It is knowledge and science. The first question we have: who is the father of Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji? Its answer is Shri Guru Hargobind Sahib Ji is the father of Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. He taught a lesson of sacrifice to his son Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. The second question we have: which is the state flower of Punjab? Its answer is gladiolus is the state flower of Punjab. It is found in many colors and it has 260 species. Our third question is: when is World Braille Day celebrated? My dear students, it is celebrated on January 4th in every year on the birthday of Louis Braille. Actually, Louis was a blind person and he invented a Braille method on his name for the communication of blind persons. The fourth question we have: how is the number 260 written in Roman numeral system? My dear students, we know very well 260 is written as CCLX. CC stands for 200, L stands for 50, and X stands for 10. Our fifth and the last question is: how many hours are there in a day? Its answer is 24 hours are there in a day. My dear students, it was knowledge and science part. Let's go to the next part. It is let's guess. What has legs but doesn't walk? What has legs but doesn't walk? Yes, you guess very well. It is a table. My dear students, we know very well a table has 4 legs, but it never goes here and there. It can't walk. My dear students, our next part is words for practice. Our first word we have very. The second word we have many. Third word is more. Fourth one is less. And fifth and the last word we have little. My dear students, all these words shows to the quantity. Dear students, it was the slide of Thursday. You please write down this slide on your copies and do practice at your homes. Have a nice day.